Snap-on pullers provide a dependable, easy-to-use method of removing components from various assemblies while minimizing accidental damage and reducing downtime. Pullers are essential to technicians working in all segments of critical industries, including fleet maintenance, HVAC, aviation, and mining. Puller applications include the removal of shaft-mounted components, including gears, sprockets, pulleys, bearings, and bushings. It is important to select the proper size and type of puller for your application. Snap-on offers a selection of puller configurations that include 2-jaw, 3-jaw, blind hole, collet-based, and slide hammer designs. 3-jaw pullers should be used whenever possible. 3-jaw pullers are more stable and safer than 2-jaw models and provide greater control and increased contact area, which results in better load distribution. Snap-on pullers offer a number of advantages. The jaws and yoke are forged and precisely heat-treated for maximum strength and durability. Our pressure screws feature a curved anvil head that resists mushrooming from occasional hammer blows needed to remove frozen gears and pulleys. The pressure screw also includes a hex head that can be turned with a standard hex wrench or socket. The pressure screw has rolled threads instead of cut threads, making the screws stronger and more durable, but nevertheless, remember to always lubricate your pressure screw before use. The pressure screw features a centering point that directs power to help prevent cocking of the puller during application and allows easy, almost friction-free turning of the pressure screw. The centering point can be replaced if worn or damaged, eliminating the need to replace the entire screw and reducing replacement costs. Snap-on pullers offer 2 jaw positions, aiding in proper placement of the jaws to allow for a straighter pull, helping to avoid stresses from wedging action. The reversible jaws can be changed from internal to external pulls quickly and easily, without the need for fasteners or tools, and the curved jaw design allows for a secure grip flush to the object being pulled. Snap-on's latest CJ version of pullers feature a lifetime warranty and are interchangeable with earlier CG models, helping to provide uninterrupted productivity and long product life. For more information or to arrange a demonstration, please contact your Snap-on Industrial Account Manager.